We're going on our 5-kilometer bike ride, so I'm gonna put this lovely headband on my head, and we're gonna bike. Yeah. Okay. We acquired satellites. We have to go 8.05 kilometers. So when we get to about 4 kilometers, we spin around. And number... Come on, yeah, I got them in. I got my feet into the pedals. That was awkward. I think they were looking at the big thing in the middle of my forehead.
Probably.
Oh, so maybe it's not a good idea to come bike riding.
Well, no, we had to do it. Oh.
How'd you hurt your knee?
I don't know, I must have like pulled it at one of our 1,000 stairs we walked.
Oh. My thighs hurt. My thighs are gonna hurt in the morning. That guy was smoking a pipe and biking at the same time. Yay for biking 5 kilometers.
Yay for my bad knee.